My name is Steve Becker. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Broken String Biosciences. We're a UK-based company that's focused on gene mapping technologies associated with looking at double-stranded breaks and being able to nominate off-targets for cell and gene therapy studies. Well, currently, when we look at off-targets, there's no standard in the industry. In fact, most of the protocols today are a bit complex and often have to be customized for each one of the therapeutics that are going through the pipeline. We think there's a great opportunity to standardize that across the networks. So that way, whether or not we're looking at different pharmaceutical companies or different regulators, they have the ability to leverage our technology to get an answer they can believe in. Well, first off, I'm very excited about the advances made this year to bring these needed therapies to market. And what's really exciting is behind those recent approvals is a whole slew of products coming down the pipeline. And what's going to require then is the ability to accelerate that development, to really have confidence in the results that are generated to create the safety packages. And we think that we need to make that process much smoother and simpler. So again, leveraging broken string technology, we can take methodologies today that currently take upwards of months to half a year to do, maybe even more, down to days. And we also think the ability to take that, what is currently have to be done in a laboratory, a specialized CRO, democratize that and bring that closer to the research and development and leverage this kind of technology to design safety in upfront. Designing safety out front will make all the downstream processes simpler, faster, and more cost-effective. Well, this is my first time at the meeting on the Mesa, and it's frankly an incredibly dynamic community. It's so exciting to see everybody from small companies to large really collaborating to see how do we collectively advance these therapies and bring them to market. I'm seeing everybody think about the patient in mind, but they're also coming in wide-eyed open, right? They're knowing that we've made a number of advances, but at the same time, they're addressing straight on the challenges. Things like, how do we manufacture? How do we work with regulatory bodies? How do we work with payers? Collectively, we're going to solve those challenges and be able to apply what is now today the opportunity to serve a few patients to something that's going to serve millions. And that, to me, is really exciting. We can bring this technology to the market and really help patients who need these really amazing therapies that are going to change lives.